Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, open Settings on your iPhone or go to iForget. Apple.com. Make sure you have the Apple ID email and access to the trusted phone or email. If you're on an Apple device, tap your name, then password and security. On the web, enter your Apple ID and follow prompts. This initiates verification. The system will ask how you want to receive a code. Choose the trusted phone or email you can access immediately. Once done, you'll receive a verification code or a two-factor prompt on another Apple device. If you get a code, enter it promptly. If a device prompts you, approve the sign-in. After verification, you'll be guided to create a new password. Pick a unique, strong password. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reuse. Make sure you update the password in Keychain and on all your devices once you finish so background services keep working. After resetting, sign back into all devices and services using the new password. Check iCloud, App Store, Mail, and subscriptions. If you can't verify or don't have access to trusted devices, begin account recovery, follow instructions, and note the estimated wait time, which can be several days. As a key troubleshooting tip, make sure you've removed old passwords from Password Manager and enabled two-factor authentication to prevent future lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.